Hey Emma, arguably not the best use of my time today, but I've created a configurable model of that box. I'll show Simon this as well. So that's the 14 litre version, that's the 31 litre version, that's the 52, that's the 7.5, all just a click away within the same model. We can add more versions as required, and we can do the same sort of thing with other boxes by other manufacturers. It just, once we get into it, it's taken an hour or so to do, but once we get into more designs and working together and different boxes you want to use, this is the kind of thing that really speeds it up. Investing the time now in models that we use and use and use and make it ourselves look really cool. Alright, see you in a bit. Bye bye.